Hello everyone, my name is Ashta Chaudhary. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Python Crash Course series. In this video, we cover sequence data type in Python. So let's get started coding. In this video, we only cover a string sequence type. We can define a string with the single quotes and double quotes like this. Single quotes and in double quotes. If we wrap the string which has single quotes inside the string, we have to define by the double quotes like this. If we wrap it into the single quotes, it gives an error. So it's must to use double quotes if the string has single quotes inside it. Now define a variable with a string type. Now print it. Now use print function to print the str variable. Here we did not get single quotes with the string. Now for print the first character, we use print str square bracket 0. Here we get the first character. Now for last character, we use print function, then pass it str in a square bracket -1. It gives the last character of the string. We also slice in the string like this. str like colon, use colon. For before colon it's for the starting position and after colon is for the ending position. Like we want to start with 1 and end with 6. Let's see, we get this value, and if we get that 8, we get it give this value between 1 index to the 8th of index. Now comes to the printing. How we use print function to print the variable or anything. We use print function. We also pass variables which have values like this in print function by the help of format function. Let's see. Like pass a variable age and set up name variable with a string. Now use print function and format function like this. My age is We also do like this, like define define 2 before then 1. We also do the same thing like this, but in this, if we didn't define anything inside the curly braces, the sequence will be the same as it appears in the statement, like age before name, like we want to get the value of age inside this curly braces. Let's print it, and name will be appears in this curly braces. And if we change the sequence, like name appears before age, it will be present like a name will be present in this position and age will be present in this position. So that's why sequence is very important in this kind of statement. But in this, we can change the sequence. That's it for this video. If these videos help you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting videos. Thank you.